Hi, beautiful people. Here I am today again to show you how to make white rice. I hope you enjoy this short video, and I hope you enjoy the delicious rice when it's made. I want to dedicate this video today to my good friend Amanda. So I am measuring 1.5 cups of white rice, and the rice I'm using is jasmine. This is the half of the cup, so it's 1.5 cups of rice, and I wash my rice. Some people don't, and that's okay, that's your preference, but I rather wash my rice. It's easy to put it under the faucet, the stream of water, and wash it right on a strainer. So I turn it as I clean it. I like to clean it because I like to know that it was cleaned by me and it was cleaned well. Now you just let the water just leak out of the strainer while I prepare the water with the salt and the oil that I use in my cooking my white rice. So I'm using 2 cups of water for 1.5 cups of rice. This is how much salt I put in my rice. Is half a teaspoon of salt to 1.5 cups of rice, but you can add any amount of salt that you like to your taste. And I'm putting a tablespoon of coconut oil in the water. That's the oil that I use. When I don't have it, I use olive oil. I don't use any other oils. I've been using coconut oil for a very long time, for many years. In fact, when I used to live in my country, in the islands, we didn't have much, and the oil we cooked with was coconut oil. My mother, I remember her processing the coconuts to extract the oil from it. I used to put it on my skin as a moisturizer and to go out in the sun as a sunblock. I'm not recommending that you do this as a sunblock, but that's what we did growing up. And it's an amazing thing. An amazing oil is very good for many things. That's my take on it. So once you have the salt, the water, and the coconut oil, or whichever oil you prefer, in the water, you just put it on high and let it boil before you put your rice in it. The water is boiling. Now I'm going to put my rice in there. And be careful when you do this. You don't want that to splash on you. Just stir it a little bit to make sure that it's nice and even sitting on the pot, in the pot. And then cover it and lower to number 2, which is low medium heat, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. In about 10 to 12 minutes, this rice will be done. Nice and tender and delicious. All right, it's been 10 minutes and my white rice is done. I just stir it and it's beautiful. It smells so good in this kitchen. That's ready to eat. It's fluffy and it's tender. It's just perfect. This rice that I'm buying, I'm in love with it. It's, like I said, jasmine rice, and I believe it's from Thailand. It's just perfect. Enjoy.